Nature's most fascinating mysteries revealed in stunning visuals. Antarctica's red waterfall flows from iron-rich water, staining the ice bright crimson. Some frogs survive freezing temperatures by essentially pausing life and thawing alive. The immortal jellyfish can reset its age, reverting to its juvenile form to live longer. Underground forests communicate through fungal networks, sharing nutrients and information. Mushrooms release spores that help form rain clouds, influencing weather patterns. Subscribe now for more amazing nature wonders and scientific marvels.